In this video, we are going to talk about the Collectors.joining method in Java 8, which is a powerful tool for working with strings. We will cover what Collectors.joining does, how it works, and how you can use it in your code. So what exactly is Collectors.joining? Well, it's a method in Java Stream API that lets you take a bunch of strings and concatenate them into a single string. With collectors.joining, you can take a list of names, for example, and turn them into a comma-separated string with just a few lines of code. Let's say you have a list of names like Steve, Mark, and Bill. You want to concatenate the list elements into a single string. So, create a list of these names using arrays.asList method. Assign it to a list. Now, collectors.joining works with a stream. So, to create a stream from this list, call stream method on this list object. To get return value, we need to call collect method, which is a terminal operation. Collect method accepts a collector argument which decides how the elements of stream will be collected. Call collectors.joining along with the separator and pass it here. Joining itself returns a collector. Assign the result to a string. Print this string. Run the program. Look, we have concatenated the list elements into a single string. There is an overloaded version of collectors.joining which also allows you to add a prefix and suffix to the result. Provide square brackets as prefix and suffix. Run it. Works. Imagine you're working on an e-commerce website and you have a list of products that you want to display. You might want to concatenate those product names into a single string so that you can display them in a list. Create a product class with two fields, name and ID. Generate their getter and setter methods and a constructor. Define list and add some products to it. Now, to get product names from this list of products, use map method with product names. To concatenate all the product names, call collect with collectors.joining as the argument. Assign the result to a string. Print it. Look, we have concatenated field names from a list of objects. So, this was a brief overview of collectors.joining and how it can make your coding life a lot easier. With this method, you can quickly and easily join together any number of strings with any separator you like. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.